how to see history in Google AI mode, here is a step-by-step guide. To start off, open Google on your phone. Now in the Google AI mode, click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Search History. Here you can scroll down to view your full search history with the AI. To customize which part of the history you want to see, click on the calendar icon. This lets you select a specific date range to find your search activity. Simply enter the date and hit apply. Additionally, if you want to find a particular topic, click on the search icon. Here type the keyword to locate your history and hit apply. This way you can easily revisit your past AI searches and conversation, and just like that you now know how to see history in Google AI mode.